Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I love to go hiking and walking and love to travel around the world. But I've been known to be a little unsteady these days with this dizziness factor I have. I can lose my balance. So I got the Bego walking stick. It is super lightweight and it folds up fast so I can take it when I travel into 4 small little pieces. It fits in suitcases, under plane seats, and in my bag, and in my big purse too. I live on a hill and I take my walks on the street on this incline. My street has a rough surface of old asphalt and is topsy-turvy in lots of places. My new Bego walking stick is terrific because it really grips the ground no matter where I'm at and gives me stability in case I miss my step and maybe stumble on a pebble or a rock or something. I love taking it on hikes in the woods near my house. With it, I feel more secure so I'm not going to fall down. Whether I'm walking uphill or downhill, or even with pebbles and debris and brush all around me and underneath me, this lightweight walking stick is great to have with me. And putting it together is a breeze. The design is so sleek, it doesn't feel like I'm using a walking cane. It's a kind of a walking stick that people normally would take on hikes. The base of it is fabulous. It has 4 pads on it, which grip the ground. It also has flexibility so it twists and you can go back and forth in case your terrain is a little uneven like mine typically is out in nature. I love the 4-point rubber touch system on it and that large base. As I do my walks, I can stand in any position on any type of surface, and the cane's foot grips the floor or the ground with those 4 rubber tips. It is so strong, it never collapses while it's in use. And on my hikes, you never know. There might be lions or bears or coyotes or some other thing I don't like, and I have a cane to whack them with. There could be a snake in those woods, and you may need to knock him out of sight. When you're in nature, anything can happen, and I like to be prepared. If you happen to have a disability or medical issue, or maybe you're just getting over surgery and you need a cane, get one that doesn't look like it's a medical cane. This is a walking stick. And if you use a walker, leave it at home when you travel and try this. It supports all weight, so it's nice to have the extra support, especially for things like walking up and down stairs. And sometimes if we're overweight, it's great to have the extra support when we're walking. It has a 100% money-back guarantee for 90 days. Since this walking stick is so lightweight, I can go all kinds of places and easily grab it and push it ahead of me or pull it behind, so when I don't need the support, it doesn't matter. The cane is lightweight and it looks cool. Because of my dizzy spells, I did not want to have the stigma of having a medical cane. I don't feel old and I sure don't want to look old. This is a perfect support for me when I go for my walks. I am into fashion. I like to look good when I do my fitness walks, and now I can with the walking stick. There are all kinds of places and scenery outdoors where I live in Santa Barbara, and I want to be everywhere and looking good. As I'm doing my exercises, I want to make sure I'm stable. I don't want to fall. So when I searched the internet to find a walking stick and I found Bego, I was so happy. The coolness factor mattered to me. It has this great light too. Check this out. With just the flick of my thumb, it can go on and off, and that's so great for when it's getting to be dark at night. Or maybe I'm getting home from the grocery store and I want to find my way to my door. I want to make sure I hit those bricks the right way and don't stumble and fall. That light really helps. And I love the little handle around my wrist. That way, I can pick my wrist up and flick it around and not worry about it. It only weighs, I think, less than a pound. It's so lightweight, yet so strong. The handle is really sturdy ABS plastic, and the ergonomic design makes it feel balanced in my hand. I think it's a fact that I may not be getting any younger, but I don't want to look any older, so this is helping me. Check out the length of this. The height adjusts from 33 inches, that's the lowest pin, and then you can easily press that in and pull it out to 37 inches. And many stops in between, for a total of 5 height settings. I love that I can plant it on a surface that's slick and go around in circles. It is not going to slip. They send it to you with this really nice velvet black bag. It's a drawstring top, and so you can keep it in your car or pack it neatly to put on that airplane. Having 2 is a good idea because if you keep one always in your car, you're not going to forget it, which I often do when I go out. And then I realize, where's my stick? They're very economically priced. So click the link and get your Bego walking stick today. And let's plan our next walk. Should it be walking through my neighborhood, checking out the forest, or a walk with a beautiful scenic beach view, looking at all the little puppies running by and having a great time playing in life. I'm Rebecca Rand. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my new videos. And let's keep going. Great places in life, like beautiful walks where we can stop and pet the puppies. If you like this video, check out these others because they're in the same scheme of having a great time outdoors and doing activities.